Welcome to the Metronome. I'm Sawan. This is my song blog where I write and sing my original songs about recipes, travels, pandemics, etc. etc. Well, it doesn't look like this COVID situation is going away anytime soon. So I've been making this ancient Ayurvedic Kadha with herbs and spices and honey and lemon to try and keep my immunity primed. I'll be making this Kadha for you today with all organic ingredients from 24 Mantra Organic.
Get your herbs, get your spices, get your honey and get some lime. Let's make a magical brew, a brew that's older than time, unexpectedly delicious. It takes good care of you, the perfect way to start your day with a cup of this magical brew. Cinnamon, pepper and cloves, ginger, turmeric, cumin and caraway to keep you from falling sick. Mint and basil leaves in the water, let it all brew until it reduces by half. Pour it out, it's ready for you. Add a dash of lemon and some pure organic honey. I know I can trust 24 Mantra Organic. It's always worth my money. Let this recipe from olden times take good care of you. Herbs and spices, honey and lime. Start your day with this magical brew.
And a cup of this Kadha is a delicious and healthy way to start your day, especially for those of you living in colder climes. And if you're interested in the entire range of organic ingredients that you saw, do try out 24 Mantra Organic. You can buy or order their products from any of the sources that I've listed in my description section below. I've been using this brand in my kitchen for over a year now, ever since my decision to prioritize nutrition and healthy eating, as some of you already know. And it was nice to note on the brand website that their core philosophy includes providing a sustainable livelihood for their farmers. Write into me with your thoughts and comments, share the video with the video, subscribe to my channel, stay safe and take care of yourselves. I'll see you again soon.
Start your day with this magical brew.